Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Ghost Touch on an Android phone. Ghost Touch is when the screen registers taps without user input, often caused by screen damage or software issues. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the system. Next, remove any screen protector and clean the screen with a soft cloth. If the issue continues, check for system updates under Settings, go to Software Update, and install any available update. Next, try booting into safe mode to see if an app is causing the issue. Long press the power off option and enter safe mode. If Ghost Touch stops in safe mode, uninstall recently installed apps. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset after backing up your data. If Ghost Touch continues after a reset, the screen may be damaged and you should contact a repair center. That's it. We just learned how to troubleshoot Ghost Touch by cleaning the screen, testing safe mode, and identifying whether a screen repair is needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.